Hello, good morning friends. Myself Jatin Dave from Ashapura School. And dear students, today we are going to start a new lesson, Exponent and Power, chapter number 12. So, do you know? Mass of the earth is 597000000000000000 and 000 kg. We have already learned in the early class how is write such a large number more conveniently using the exponent. So as 5.97 into 10 raised to 24 kg is the mass of the earth. We read here 10 raised to power 24. 10 के ऊपर राइट साइड पर हमने 24 लगाया है. इसे इस तरह से पढ़ा जाता है 10 raised to the power 24. In 10 raised to the power 24, 24 is the exponent and 10 is called the base. 10 raised to power 24, 24 is the exponent and 10 is the base. And we say 10 raised in the power 24. We know 2 raised to 5, that means 2 multiplied by 5. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 and multiply 2. And 2 raised to m, that means 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply dot 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 time multiply 2 dot 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 m times. So let's find what is 2 raised to minus 2 is equal to. Here exponent minus 2 is a negative integer. So now we're going to discuss power with a negative exponent. You know that 10 raised to 2, that means 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to 100. 10 raised to 1, that means 10 is equal to 100 divided by 10, and 10 raised to 0 is equal to 1, that means 10 by 10. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कि as the exponent decrease 1, the value becomes 1/10 of the previous value. Now what is 10 raised to minus 1 is? So continue the above pattern, we get 10 raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 by 10. Similarly, 10 raised to minus 2, that means 1 by 10 is divided by 10, that means 1 by 10 multiplied by 1 by 10 equal to 1 by 100 is equal to 1 by 10 square. And 10 raised to minus 3, that means 1 by 100 divided by 10 is equal to 1 by 100 multiplied by 1 by 10. Therefore, we get 1 by 1000 is equal to 1 by 10 raised to 3. So, what is the 10 raised to minus 10 equal to? So, we can says here 10 raised to minus 10 is equal to 1 upon 10 raised to 10. Now consider the following: 10 raised to 3, that means 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 27. Now 3 square is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9, or 27 by 3. And 3 raised to 1 is equal to 3, that means 9 by 3. And 3 raised to 0, that means 1 is equal to 3 by 3. Here the previous number is divided by the base 3. So looking at the above pattern, we says 3 raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by 3. We get 1 by 3. 3 raised to minus 2, that means 1 divided by 3. 1 by 3 divided by 3, and we get 1 by 3 multiplied by 3, that means 1 by 3 square. And 3 raised to minus 3, that means 1 by 3 square divided by 3, and we get 1 by 3 square multiplied by 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 raised to 3. So you can now find the value of 2 raised to minus 2 in a similar manner. We have 10 raised to minus 2 is equal to 1 by 10 square, or 10 raised to 2, that means 1 by 10 raised to minus 2. Similarly, 10 raised to minus 3 means 1 by 10 raised to 3, or 10 raised to 3, that means 1 by 10 raised to minus 3. And 3 raised to minus 2, that means 1 by 3 square, or 3 square means 1 by 3 raised to minus 2. In general, we says that for any non-zero integer a raised to minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to m. Here, m is a positive integer. A raised to minus m is the multiplicative inverse of a raised to m. Now, look at the screen. For your practice, try this. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. ये आपको ट्राई करना है, जिसमें आपको वैल्यूज दी गई है 2 raised to minus 4, 10 raised to minus 5, 7 raised to minus 2, 5 raised to minus 3 and 10 raised to minus 100. Let's go. We learn how to write the numbers like 1425 in the expanded form using the exponent. We can write here 1000, that means 1 multiplied by 10 raised to 3, plus 400, that means 4 multiplied by 100, that means 4 multiplied by 10 square, plus 20, that means 2 multiplied by 10 raised to 1, and 5, matlab 5 multiplied by 10 raised to 0. Let us see how the express 1425.36 is expanded form in the similar way. So we have right here 1425.36 is equal to 1 multiplied by 1000 plus 4 multiplied by 100 plus 2 multiplied 10 plus 5 multiplied 1 plus 3 by 10 plus 6 by 100 is equal to 1 multiplied by 10 raised to 3 plus 4 multiplied by 10 square plus 2 multiplied by 10 plus 5 multiplied by 1 plus 3 multiplied raised to power minus 1 plus 6 multiplied 10 raised to minus 2. So remember this, 10 raised to minus 1, that means 1 by 10. 10 raised to minus 2, that means 1 by 10 square is equal to 1 by 100. Now once again try this on your screen. Expand the following numbers using the exponents 1025.633 and 1256.249. चलिए फिर से आगे बढ़ते हैं लॉज ऑफ द एक्सपोनेंट की तरफ. We have learned that for any non-zero integer a raised to m multiply a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n, where m and n are the natural numbers. Does this law above also hold if the exponent are negative? So let's explore. You know that a raised to minus m is equal to a raised to m for any non-zero integer a. We know that 2 raised to minus 3, that means 1 upon 2 raised to 3, and 2 raised to minus 2, that means 1 upon 2 raised to 2. Therefore 2 raised to minus 3 multiplied by 2 raised to minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to 3 multiplied 1 upon 2 raised to 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to 3 multiplied by 2 raised to 2 equal to 1 by 2 raised to power 3 plus 2 equal to 1 upon 2 raised to 5. Similarly, we write here final answer is 2 raised to minus 5. Another, take the value, take minus 3 raised to minus 4 multiply minus 3 raised to minus 3. So minus 3 raised to power minus 4 multiplied by minus 3 raised to power minus 3 is equal to 1 upon minus 3 raised to power 4 multiply 1 upon minus 3 raised to power 3. So 1 upon minus 3 raised to power 4 multiplied by minus 3 raised to power 3 is equal to 1 upon minus 3 raised to power 4 plus 3 equal to 7. So 1 upon minus 3 raised to power 7 is also right here minus 3 raised to power minus 7 because minus 4 plus minus 3 is equal to minus 7. Now consider 5 raised to minus 2 multiplied by 5 raised to 4. So therefore 5 raised to minus 2 multiplied by 5 raised to 4 is equal to 1 upon 5 square multiplied by 5 raised to 4 is equal to 5 raised to 4 upon 5 square equal to 5 raised to 4 minus 2 and we get 5 raised to 2 because minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 2. यहाँ पर 4 बड़ा नंबर है और इसमें से नेगेटिव माइनस 2 को बात करते हुए प्लस 2 मिलेगा. एक और बात कहेंगे क्लास 7 में यू हैव लर्न दैट फॉर एनी नॉन जीरो इंटीजर ए रेस टू एम अपॉन ए रेस टू एन इज इक्वल टू ए रेस टू एम माइनस एन. मतलब कि दो सेम बेस वाली वैल्यू के साथ जब डिवीज़न होता है तो उसके एक्सपोनेंट को माइनस किया जाता है वेयर एम एंड एन आर द नेचुरल नंबर्स एंड एम इज़ ग्रेटर देन एन, जो कि हमने यूज़ किया थर्ड क्वेश्चन के लिए. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन को आगे बढ़ाएंगे. नाउ कंसिडर माइनस 5 रेस टू पावर माइनस 4 एंड मल्टीप्लाई माइनस 5 रेस टू 2. सो minus 5 raised to power minus 4 multiplied by minus 5 raised to 2 equal to 1 upon minus 5 raised to 4 and minus 5 raised to 2. So we can write here minus 5 raised to 2 upon minus 5 raised to 4 is equal to 1 upon minus 5 raised to 4 up multiplied by minus 5 raised to minus 2, and therefore we get 1 by minus 5 raised to power 4 minus 2 equal to 1 by minus 5 raised to 2 and we can write here minus 5 raised to power minus 2, because minus 4 plus 2 we get minus 2 integer. So in general we can say that for any non-zero integer a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n, where m and n are integer. फिर से एक बार एक छोटा सा आपके लिए प्रैक्टिस, ट्राई दिस के द्वारा सिंप्लीफाई एंड राइट इन द एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म. minus 2 whole raised to minus 3 multiply minus 2 whole raised to minus 4. दूसरा सम है p raised to 3 multiply p raised to minus 10, और तीसरा है 3 raised to 2 multiply 3 raised to minus 5 multiply 3 raised to 6. On the same lines, you can verify the following laws of the exponent, where a and b are non-zero integers and m and n are integers. So first law is a raised to m upon a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. मतलब कि सेम बेस के साथ जब दो नंबरों का, दो इंटीजरों का जब हम डिवीज़न करेंगे तो यहाँ पर उसका जो एक्सपोनेंट है इसके बीच में सब्ट्रैक्शन होगा. दूसरा है ए रेस टू एम होल रेस टू एन, तो जब पावर ऑफ पावर की बात आएगी तो यहाँ पर दोनों एक्सपोनेंट हैं ये मल्टीप्लाई होंगे, दैट मीन्स ए रेस टू एम एन. तीसरा है ए रेस टू एम मल्टीप्लाई बाय बी रेस टू एम, यहाँ पर दोनों जो फैक्टर्स हैं इसके बेस डिफरेंस है लेकिन उस पर एक्सपोनेंट सेम है, तो हम इसे राइट कर सकते हैं इस तरह से, ए रेस टू एम मल्टीप्लाई बाय बी रेस टू एम इज इक्वल टू ए बी होल रेस टू एम. ठीक है, इसी तरह से ए रेस टू एम अपॉन बी रेस टू एम, तो यहाँ पर हम इसे राइट डाउन कर सकते हैं इनटू ब्रैकेट ए अपॉन बी होल रेस टू एम, और अगर जो कोई भी बेस पर एक्सपोनेंट ज़ीरो है मतलब कि ए रेस टू ज़ीरो, देन वी गेट वैल्यू 1. सो these laws you have studied in class 7 for the positive exponent only. Let's solve some example using the above laws of exponent. लेकिन टेक्सचुअल एग्जाम्पल शुरू करने से पहले इस वीडियो को हम यहीं रोकेंगे, इस उम्मीद के साथ कि ये वीडियो जो कि हमारा लेसन नंबर 12 को लेकर पहला वीडियो था, आपने अच्छी तरह से देखा, सुना और समझा होगा, और नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट के साथ हमने जो आपके सामने यहाँ पर बात की लॉज ऑफ द एक्सपोनेंट की, ये आप अच्छी तरह से रिमेंबर कर लिया होगा. इस उम्मीद के साथ आपका धन्यवाद करेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड बाय बाय.